Okay, so I'm about to head out to dinner with a couple of friends, and I think I'm going to try to vlog for most of the night. We'll see how it goes. I have a pack of pumpkin spice seltzer that the people at Vive sent me, and I really want my friends to try it, and I kind of want to get their reaction. So I'm going to pack that, which I think it's kind of illegal. Well, it's not illegal for us to drink outside, but
what's going on? Y'all are going to jail, period.
I guess it'll be fine. Like, I think we can just like drink outside of the restaurant while we wait for our table. And so it'll be like we're having happy hour before dinner. So perfect, right? So, okay. I will see you guys at the restaurant.
All right. An account. I don't think I have an account. We're going to use hello and start up.
We are on Mass Ave. Okay. About to begin the evening.
You said we're what?
Beginning the evening. This girl tried to get me to give up my spot. It ain't happening. How do I zoom in? I just want.
That's a lot of dog shit.
Where?
Right there.
Holy mackerel.
Jesus Christ.
I was like, oh,
that's rude.
And I was like, oh, makeup.
All right. I didn't put on no makeup. I put on liner.
I did my pictures today.
Oh yeah, so you just kept it on?
Beautiful.
Well, thank you.
No,
What?
I do makeup.
I do.
I don't do makeup.
But today, I was like, because I broke out stressing, see, these is nigga bumps.
Girl, that's the, it's coming bumps.
Okay, we're close.
We are.
Yeah, it's right on the corner pretty much. Well, around the corner.
Yeah, it's around the corner.
I mean, it's around the corner.
Around the corner.
It's around the bend. Tried their pumpkin spice.
Is there pumpkin spice?
Yeah.
Pumpkin spice. Yeah.
They do. I actually have it in my bag. I'm about to test it out. So that's how I was like, oh my gosh.
I'll have to give it a try.
Give it a try.
Thank you so
Have a good one.
I think there's like a block party or something going on.
Want to go down there for a minute?
We have nothing else to do.
To like, you know.
Oh, the color's nice.
Right? Oh, I changed it so now I can color grade it better.
Oh.
I guess.
Okay. Oh my god, look! Big Connect Lab!
New post.
I love when we have our new post. I was so excited to find that Create Connect Lab gets it right. My first experience was at the Creative Retreat.
You can get, you know.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
I see that.
Say hello.
Hello. How are you?
We're good.
Hi.
What's up?
How are you doing? I'm great. Now that I see you.
Hello.
Are you
So,
ready to do the straight test?
yeah.
Okay.
So
Do you
let's
have them?
Yeah, so I have the Vives. I've got hand sanitizer if anyone needs.
I was like, maybe Star will actually be on time because I saw her here. Makeup was
She
already
was.
done
Yeah.
earlier.
But we couldn't find a parking spot.
It's like, ooh.
Yes. She beat me. She beat me. Okay, so we are about to try the Vive, what is it called? Hard seltzer.
Yes.
Pumpkin spice, because you know it's fall and all of the things. So let's pour it up and we're gonna see what this tastes like. All right.
I'll be classy.
All right. Okay. Are we ready? On the count of 3. Maybe a cheers.
Okay.
Cheers.
Oh, you know what? I kind of like that.
I'm not mad at this.
I like the little spice at the end.
It's very cozy. It's very like,
I'm getting all fall vibes.
it's so fall.
Yeah.
It's very pumpkin pie.
Yes.
I'm like, it was like after.
100 calories.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It was like afterwards, I tasted like cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got like a nut. It's like a nutmeg. It's like a. It's like
It's
a.
literally a pumpkin pie, a slice of pie.
Yeah. But it's like after your sip though.
It's a lot of this flavor.
I am confusion, but I like it.
I kind of like it.
Like,
I do too. That's really cute. I like the brand.
Because it's sweet when you first taste it.
Yeah.
And then all of the other flavors come through.
It kind of mellows out.
I like the fizz.
Very bonfire.
I do like the fizz.
Very bonfire.
Very good.
And what alcohol is it?
Right. I mean, it's nothing.
3%.
So if you want to like pick it up a notch, you could just add a little. Oh, you could add. Shoot, now I can't think of it. You know the spicy cinnamon thing?
Oh, the fireball.
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 Oh, yeah. That would be good with it.
Yes.
A
And
little
even a little
splash.
cider.
Ooh, make a whole little drink.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I think we have an idea. All right. Well, back to the rest of this evening. We're about to keep drinking because we have a few more cans in my bag here. So
I'm over here sipping away. I'm like, let me get my. Some vitamin E oil.
what? Well, first of all, cheers.
Love and light.
Yes.
And then we should do another one, sisterhood.
Oh.
Girl, do whatever you want.
It seems like communications is so hard for guys. I don't understand why. Like, what is the problem? And it could be so simple. That's what I said doing. I'm like, it could be so simple. Like, I don't. All right, so I was out last night and not even like very late, but I feel like I was up until like 3 a.m. or something. So I'm trying to get myself together. I need to go to the store and get a bunch of supplies for some recipes that I'm gonna be developing this weekend. So I need like tons of dishes, I need tons of glassware, barware, just all of the things so I can just get everything done, shoot the content, and then I need to meet up with my friend Tanisha. We're going to go to this restaurant called Livery, and I'm shooting like a small campaign for them. So I also need to figure out what I'm gonna wear to that so I can take cute pictures. And then I'm gonna get along with my day. And it is looking cloudy out here, so hopefully it's not like too dreary all day, but I'm gonna go try and find some coffee. Ugh, I feel congested. Ugh. And then, yeah. All right. I am so hungry. Ugh, my pants are also very tight. I should have selected a different pair, but we're just gonna roll with it today because I don't have time. We don't have time. And then, do you just have any butter croissants?
Yes, we do.
Okay. I think I have enough rewards for, I look ridiculous. I think I have enough rewards for a free drink. Let's see here. Can I look at the... Let's see. In person? Ooh. Wait, I don't know. I don't get it. Never mind. I'm kind of surprised that there's like already... Oh, okay, this is really loud. There's already like a decent amount of people in Target. Like, what are people doing? Like, go home. This is gonna be a long day. Oh. So, I also I feel like I didn't think this through very well because I need to make like fucking 20 cocktail recipes today. And I don't want to drink any alcohol. Oh, is it shaking? Like, I don't want any alcohol in my system. My car is shaking. My car is shaking. My car is shaking. Alright, you know what? Let's go in here. This could be. Just going through here. Get a couple sweaters. So now I need to get a shit ton of spirits, liqueurs, all of the things so that I do not have to come back to the store. I'm just trying to decide what liqueurs I want to do. I think I'm gonna get some Aperol. I got vermouth, Contro, Maker's Mark. I got rum, whiskey, spiced rum, regular rum, gin. Debating if I want to do tequila this weekend. I mean, I might need tequila. I don't think I want any more Saint Germain, although it is nice to have. I think I'll do one more. I've never seen this. I'm actually curious what this tastes like. That would be. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna have to sell a little extra ass this weekend to make up for this budget, but I think we'll be in good shape. This hangover is getting worse by the minute. Heading into Marshall's. Hopefully they have what I need. I did get a lot of good stuff in Target, and I came in right at about the budget I thought. Like, I knew getting all the alcohol and stuff was going to be expensive. Like, it just is what it is. So now I'm hoping that I can get some like really good deals on a few more glasses and stemware and stuff, and just like decor and like styling props that I can use. So if Marshall's doesn't have what I need, then I'm probably gonna have to wait and then go to TJ Maxx after my photo shoot. So, but hopefully I can get everything in here and not have to go all the way to the like actual home goods store. So I just don't feel like doing all that today. So we'll see. I can add to these cocktails. Ooh. I could do like some preserves and stuff. Yeah. Ooh, this would probably be good in a cocktail. Okay, so this Marshall's is pretty whack, and it does not have like any stemware. So I am gonna have to go to TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna just go home, unload, and then reassess my list. I'm so tired. I don't want to pretend to be having fun right now and drinking. I just want to lay in the bed.